Hey viewers, I wanted to show you my new air compressor. I got it for a great price, free. I was on my way to karate class and I saw this out on the curb. And I stopped. I wasn't sure if they were selling it or what. So I stopped there. I saw the owner there. So I asked him, hey, are you selling that or what? He said, no, it's free. And so I'm like, okay. And he goes, yeah, it stopped working. It had worked and it stopped working, but he had another compressor, so he was just getting rid of this one. So I threw it in the back of my car. When I got home, I started looking through it and found the issue why it stopped working. So as I was examining the air compressor, I saw this little arrow here. It says reset. So I went ahead, pushed this little button here, it went in, it stayed in, and plugged it in, and boom, it worked. So before I ran it for very long, I wanted to check the oil. I looked on here, and I did not see where the top of the oil line was. And so I thought, well, maybe there's no oil in it. So I decided to drain it. I drained it, and it came out dirty oil, and just kind of kept coming and kept coming and kept coming, and found out that it had been overfilled. It's only supposed to have about 5.6 ounces in there, but what came out was closer, somewhere between 16 and 20 ounces of dirty oil that just kept coming out. So I got rid of that, and then I filled it up with 5.6 ounces of synthetic oil, and so now this is all set there. Now I just flip the switch and boom, it works. I went through the whole thing and cleaned it all up because it was kind of dirty before, but so it's much cleaner. The gauges are in rough shape, but they do work, so that's nice. One of the nice things about this is an upright, so it takes up less floor space than my other one did. And this is 21 gallon, where my old one was only 11 gallons. So this has a much bigger air capacity than the other one did. But for the price, it was great, free. I don't use an air compressor a lot, but I do use it like to blow things off. Or I do have an air hammer, which if you've seen my videos, I do use it in some of my videos. But what a great deal. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Hopefully you found this interesting. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go down there, click that subscribe button. Be sure to click the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post stuff over there occasionally. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching.